Get ready to train brilliantly with your new Forerunner 265 running smartwatch. Let's get started using it so you can push your limits and get a more complete picture of your health. First, download the Garmin Connect smartphone app so you can pair your watch to your compatible smartphone. Open the app, then sign in or create your account. Turn on your Forerunner by pressing and holding the light button. Swipe and tap to select your language preference. Then scan the QR code with your compatible smartphone. This will open the Garmin Connect app so you can begin pairing your watch. Follow the instructions to complete the initial setup and to sync your user profile and recent activity data. The app will also help you customize device settings and set up features like Wi-Fi connection, Garmin Pay, and even fully customized activity profiles. With the Forerunner 265 smartwatch, you have the perfect tool to help you crush your goals. For more information on using your smartwatch, visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.